the solution for this example. So the first thing we want to do is put data bars on. Now your choice is you need to decide, do you want to include the grand total or not? We are going to exclude it because we don't want the grand total affecting things. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, and I'll choose that one. And when I click on it, it's immediately obvious where the big ones are. For the weekend, we're going to do the same thing. Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, but just to make it a bit different, we'll choose a different color. But again, you can easily see the difference. And the last one is to use a color scale, so we'll highlight that. Conditional Formatting, Color Scale. You just need to decide if green is good or green is bad. So in this case, we'll do green is good, and when we click on it, you'll see it's automatically formatted so the highest number is green and the lowest numbers are red.